everyone, I hope you all are having a great time. This is my art studio over here, and if you all are wondering that how I have created this space, then stay tuned. This video is going to be a short art studio tour and makeover. So this was how my room was few months back, and before starting with anything, I'd like to say that this space was being planned for years. Nothing came up into my mind overnight, and the whole transformation was a very gradual process. So I decided to change the flooring, and I plan to go with tiles which have wooden finish, and this really gives a great neutral look to the room. So it took about 3 weeks for my floor to get ready, and along with that I painted all these walls white. Before it was like a peachy color, but this time I wanted to be nothing but white. Having your own art space is a great way to portray your inner artist and be inspired at the same time to create beautiful paintings. But this was not the same scenario for me. In my childhood days, I used to face a lot of problems while creating art because I never had any dedicated art space. Then back in 2016, I requested my parents if I can use this space for creating art. This space used to be a storage place before. I had to work and plan a lot for creating this space suitable for my painting. I gave up one window panel and converted it into sliding mirrors. I always wanted to have a large mirror panel in my art room, which also happens to be an important item to keep in your art space. It really expands the space and reflects light, which makes the space appear more brighter, and even while painting, it helps me to understand the proportions or accuracy of any object. Just keep the painting in front of the mirror which you are working on, and you will understand whether the proportions are correct or not. Then the next best thing I ever wanted in my room was having big windows for proper ventilation and sunlight. My room is south faced, so I generally get the sunlight during the afternoons. A good source of light is very important while you paint, and it is good to have natural lighting in your art room. But if you plan to use your art space at night, look for good setup of artificial lighting. In my room, I have a long tube light just above the mirror that emits white cool light. And to balance that coolness, I also use ring light in the warm mode. This really gives the effect of white daylight or sunlight. It doesn't really matter if the art space is not huge enough. It could be a small space near a window in your own room. Just have a good storage beside your table or easel, like a moving cart or a set of kitchen racks. And I always wanted to keep my space plain and simple, because later on I'd be filling these spaces with works of my own art. I try to minimize the clutter as much as possible and keep all the art materials at an easy access. A clean art space will help your mind to relax, and this way you will feel more inspired with new ideas. I always wanted to have a comfortable chair for myself, but sometimes it happens to be like I just sit on the floor or stand in front of the easel to paint. So I thought to invest for a chair in the later future. I also wanted to keep few indoor plants. This really adds freshness to my room and also helps me with my productivity. And that's all I had set up in my room for the time being. I really felt great sharing this experience with you all. Now let's have a look how my home studio finally looks. lot guys for being with me till the end, and I hope you all enjoyed this short art studio tour. Do let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this video, and keep supporting guys. Do subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon for more updates on my painting videos. You can also follow me on Instagram for exciting Insta reels and posts. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, stay creative and take a good care of yourself. Bye bye.